Birds are believed to have evolved from ancient dinosaurs millions of years ago. When we look at the structure of a bird's leg, we still see the reptilian scales that probably covered its entire body way back in time. It is believed that a bird's feathers could have evolved from these scales. The earliest flying birds had no feathers. They were like flying lizards with large membranes connecting their hands and feet, and they could probably glide for long distances. Membranes are not nearly as efficient as feathers for flying, and when the first fossil of Archaeopteryx was discovered in 1861, it caused great excitement. Here, for the first time, was a bird with perfect feathers. For many years, scientists tried unsuccessfully to establish a link between membranes and feathers. Feathers do not fossilize easily, and it would be extremely difficult to find a fossil of the creature that preceded Archaeopteryx to see how and when feathers started developing. Many scientists are of the opinion that feathers evolved on their own and not from scales or membranes. When we take a close look at a feather, we can only marvel at its lightness and perfect construction. This must surely be one of nature's greatest innovations. We can bend back the side shafts, but as soon as they are realigned, they seem to lock into position. Let's see why this is so. Each tiny side shaft has a number of hooks that lock perfectly into the upper shaft, almost like a zip. It is this that gives the feather its amazing strength, enabling birds to fly. Birds are totally dependent on their feathers for survival and go to great lengths to take care of them. Regular bathing and preening is very important. Some species practice what is known as allopreening, where two birds preen each other's feathers. Dust baths are also popular, especially with birds that occur in dry areas. They also like to sunbathe. We often see doves stretching themselves out to get more exposure from the sun's rays. Marabou storks do this by spreading their wings.